Hello everyone, it's me Sanjay Vasu back again for another video. This time I'm doing it on Mathematics Paper 1 Core for Cambridge IGCSE for October/November 2022. You can use the calculator where appropriate. Let's start. Question 1. A. Write the number 80,080 in figures. That's just 80,080. Not that hard, that's the answer. B. Write down the value of the 4 in the number 643719. The 4 is in the 10,000s place. So the value will be 10,000 into 4, which is 40,000. Question 2. Find the value of the square root of 53.29. Let's get our calculator out. Here we go. 53.29 square root. We get 7.3. Question 3. A football team has 16 players at a training session. Kim records the color of each of their shirts. Complete the frequency table. You may use the tally column to help you. So first we can find a number for blue. It'll be 1, 2, 3. So the tally will be 1, 2, 3 like that. Frequency is 3. For green, it'll be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Frequency 4. Red, we have 1, 2, and no more. So we have 2 there. 2 in frequency. For silver, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 silver. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, and then 6. And for white, we have just the one over here and nobody else. So white is 1 and 1. That's the answer. Question 4. Complete the net of the cuboid on the 1 centimeter square grid. One face has been drawn for you. We can see that this length is 2 and this is 5 in centimeters. So it's probably this face that they drawn. It's either that one or the one below. So this face will be connected to this one over here, which is 5 by 4. So we can draw it like this. And then that one will be connected to another 5 by 2. Just like that. And this will be connected to another 5 by 4, like this. So we got all 4 of the faces in front, back, up, and down. We need to get the sides now, which are 4 by 2 centimeters. They can be attached like these two, or these two, or you can do it like these two, or you can do it like these two. Any one of these 4 is correct. So you can just draw anything you want. I'm just going to draw this one here. On both sides you have to draw it. And that's our answer. Question 5. Draw all the lines of symmetry on this shape here. We can see that we have vertical and horizontal line of symmetry and nothing else. So we just draw both of those. That's the answer. Question 6. Put one pair of brackets in each statement to make it correct. 10 minus 4 divided by 2 plus 18 is 21. So we need to find out where we can put the brackets. And in this case, we can actually put the brackets over here. So we put for 10 minus 4. So we put the brackets here. This will become, because brackets first, 6 divided by 2 plus 18, which is equal to 3 plus 18, which is 21. That's why we put the brackets there. There's no other answer. B, 73 plus 1 plus 2 is 30. We know that 7 into 4 is 28. 7 into 4. And 28 plus 2 is indeed 30. So we put a bracket here to add them up and get 4. Then we multiply and then we add 2. We'll get 30. So you can put a bracket there. As I just said, 3 plus 1 is 4. So 7 into 4 plus 2. That's equal to 28 plus 2 since multiplication is first. And then we have 30. That's the answer. Question 7. The diagram shows an isosceles triangle. Find the value of x. So this angle and this angle will be equal. So this angle will be also 34 degrees. X will be, because angles in a triangle are at 180 degrees, 180 minus both the 34s, which is equal to 112 degrees. That's the answer. Question 8. A. Simplify 6a plus 3b minus 2a minus 5b. 6a minus 2a is equal to 4a, and 3b minus 5b is negative 2b. So this answer will be 4a minus 2b. B. S is equal to 5t plus half at squared. Find the value of s when t is equal to 6 and a is equal to 3. We can just substitute. S is equal to 5 into 6 plus half into 3 into 6 squared. Let's get our calculator out. So we'll have half into 3 into 6 squared, 54. And then we add 5 into 6, which is 30, to get 84. And that is our answer. S is equal to 84. Question 9. A. Work out 6 minus 3 plus 4 minus 5. These are vectors. So we can do this as the x, which is 6 and 4. So we add them. And then the y, which is minus 3 and minus 5, we can add those. That'll be 10 minus 8. So that'll be 10 and minus 8. B. 6 into 3 comma minus 2. So this will be 6 into 3 and 6 into minus 2, which is equal to 18 and minus 12. That's the answer. Question 10. Without using a calculator, work out 5 by 9 minus 1 by 6. You must show all your working and give your answer as a fraction in simplest form. So 5 by 9 minus 1 by 6 is equal to 10 by 18 minus 3 by 18. When you multiply this fraction by 2 in numerator and denominator, and for 1 by 6 you multiply by 3 to get 18 denominator for both. That'll be 10 minus 3 by 18, common denominator, so we get 7 by 18. That's the answer. Question 11. A 4-faced dice is numbered 1 to 4. The table shows some probabilities of scoring each number. Complete the table. You need to find the probability of scoring number 2. So total probability is always 1. So probability of scoring number 2 is 1 minus all the other probabilities. So 1 minus 0.1 minus 0.28 minus 0.31. And if you do that correctly, you get the answer as 0.24. That's the answer. Question 12. A. Here are the first 5 terms of a sequence. 27, 26, 23, 18, 11, so on. Find the next 2 terms in the sequence. So over here we subtract 1, then subtract 3, subtract 5, subtract 7, dot dot dot. So we subtract consecutive odd numbers. That is the term-to-term rule. So the next 2 terms will be 11 minus 9, which is equal to 2, and 2 minus 11, which is equal to negative 9. So it's 2, comma negative 9. B. These are the first 5 terms of a different sequence. 3, 10, 17, 24, 31. Find the nth term. We can see that to get from one term to the next, we always add the same number, which is 7. So the nth term will be, using a formula, an plus d, where n is the number of the term, a is the constant difference. By the way, this formula only applies to linear sequences where there's one constant difference like that, plus 7 over here. So this add 7 will be a, so a is just 7. This will be 7n plus the difference between the first term and a. So that means we subtract 3 first term minus a, which is 7. We don't do 7 minus a, we do 3 minus 7. That's minus 4. So 7n plus minus 4, which is equal to 7n minus 4. That is our answer. Question 13. They will record the number of hours in a week 8 people spend exercising. A. Find the median. Let's first arrange in ascending order. That'll be 1.5, then 2, then 2 again, then 3, then 4, then 4.5, then 5, and finally 18. So we can cancel out from the start and end like that, and we have 3 and 4 remaining. So these two are in the middle. Median is 3 plus 4 by 2, which is equal to 7 by 2, 3.5. 3.5 hours. That's the answer. B. Explain why the mean might not be a suitable average to use. We can see that 18 is too high, like it's very high compared to all the other people's. So that's why. There is one value which is very far from all others, which is the 18 value. That's the answer. Question 14. Calculate a 2000 into 1.2 to the power 3. Let's get our calculator out. 1.2 to the power 3, or 1.2 cubed, is 1728 multiplied by 2000. We get 1.728 into 2000 is 3456. And that's our answer. Let's go to part B. 2 1 by 8 into 6 by 17. That'll be 17 by 8 into 6 by 17. Cancel that out. This will become 3 by 4. And that is our answer. We can go to part C now. 4.5 into cos 30 by root 3 minus 2. So you can do cos 30 is that into 4.5 divided by root 3. Like this. We get 2.24999, which is just 2.25. 2.25 minus 2, which is equal to 0.25. That's the answer. Let's go to question 15. Jenna buys 2.4 meters of ribbon and 4.8 meters of fabric. The total cost is $33.48. Ribbon costs 0.85 per meter. Find the cost of 1 meter of fabric. So let's keep ribbon as R and fabric as F variables. So 2.4 into R plus 4.8 into F. R is the cost of ribbon and F is the cost of fabric for 1 meter. That'll be equal to $33.48. That means 2.4 into 0.85 plus 4.8F is equal to $33.48. Let's get our calculator out. 2.4 into 0.85, we get 2.04 plus 4.8F is equal to $33.48. So 4.8F is equal to 33.48 minus 2.04, which is equal to $31.44. So F is equal to 31.44 divided by 4.8, which is equal to $6.55, or $6.55 for 1 meter of fabric. That's the answer. Question 16. A. Expand x into x plus 8. We just multiply x by both of them, which is x squared plus 8x. B. Factorize completely 6a minus 3ab. We can take out the factor of 3a from this. So we do 6a by 3a and minus 3ab by 3a. That'll be like that. That's how we do it. So that'll be 2 minus b. That's the answer. C. Solve 5x minus 6 is equal to x plus 3. That means when you bring x and minus 6 to the other side respectively, that'll be 4x is equal to 3 plus 6, which is 9. X is equal to 9 by 4, which is 2.25. That's the answer. Question 17. A. The universal set is people in a group. B is people who own a bicycle. And C is people who own a car. There are 120 people in the group. 21 own a bicycle. 15 own both bicycle and a car. 35 people do not own either bicycle or car. 1. Complete the Venn diagram. 21 people own a bicycle. Out of that, 15 people also own a car. So there's 15 people here. And now 21 minus 15 for only bicycle. That's 6 here. 35 do not own bicycle, do not own a car. So that'll be outside. And now what about people who only own a car? We just subtract these values from 120. So 120 minus 35 minus 15 minus 6, which is equal to, if we do it correctly, 64. So 64 people own just a car. And that's our answer. 2. A person from the group is chosen at random. Find probability that this person owns a car. So there's 64 plus 15 because 15 people own both. So 64 plus 15 divided by 120 because probability. So that's 79 by 120. That's the answer. B. Shade the region D union E. So that means everything inside the circles D and E. So we can shade the region like that. Everything inside both circles D and E. That's the answer. Question 18. The right angle triangular prism has height 6 centimeters, width W centimeters, and length 18 centimeters. The volume is 810 centimeters cubed. Find the value of W. The formula for the area of triangular prism is half BH into L. L is the length and half BH is the area of the triangle. This doesn't have to be a right angle triangular prism, it can be any triangle. That means 810 is equal to half into B. B is also W if you want to write it. So breadth and width are the same thing, so we write W there. Height is 6 and length is 18. Let's get our calculator out. First of all, 810 is equal to 54W if you did correctly, and W is equal to 810 by 54, which is equal to, here we go, 15. And 15, what? 15 centimeters. That's our answer. Question 19. In a survey of 1,200 people, 150 are left-handed. Work out the expected number of left-handed people in a town with 56,000 people. So that'll be equal to 150 by 1,200 multiplied by 56,000. Because this is the probability of choosing a left-handed person, and multiply by 56,000 for the town of 56,000 people. We can cancel 2 zeros here. And now we can get our calculator out. There we are. So we do 150 divided by 12 and multiply by 560. That'll be equal to 7,000. 7,000 left-handers. That's our answer. Let's go to question 20. A. 5 to the power 8 divided by 5 to the power x is 5 to the power 2. Find the value of x. So that means 5 to the power of 8 minus x using power rules is equal to 5 to the power 2. That means 8 minus x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 8 minus 2, which is equal to 6. That's our answer. B. Simplify x to the power 5 whole to the power 3. That's equal to x to the power 5 into 3 using power rules, and that'll be equal to x to the power 15. That's the answer. Question 21. ABC is a right angle triangle as given here. Calculate BC. We need to use trigonometry for this. Which trigonometric formula involves the adjacent, because BC is an adjacent right next to 42 degrees, and the hypotenuse? The trigonometric formula of cos does. So cos x degrees is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. That means cos 42 is equal to the side BC, which we don't know, by 18. So that means 18 into cos 42 is equal to BC. And that means BC is equal to, let's get a calculator out to do it, 42 cos multiplied by 18, we get 13.38 centimeters. That's our final answer, and not just for this question, also for the full paper. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, share this video with your friends and family, and comment on how you think this video was and how we can improve our channel. With that, it's me, Sanjay Vasu, signing out. Thank you. Bye.